Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Every year, WHO celebrates 31st May as World No Tobacco Day to make people aware about the various harmful effects of the tobacco consumption. According to WHO, 6 million people die annually due to the consumption of tobacco. So it is my humble request to all the smokers, particularly youth, to stay away from the smoking for the sake of your health and for the sake of your family. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself, Muki Mohammed Khalil, student of 9th Standard, Boys High Secondary School, Sopor. Well, I am here to deliberate over the assigned topic on No Tobacco Day. Say no to smoking, say yes to life. Let me reflect over this slogan and ponder why to encourage people over the world to quit smoking. The day, which is observed worldwide on 31st of May, but one can quit smoking on any day. The main motive is to spread awareness about the health hazard of tobacco consumption through cigarettes and other modes. Smoking and chewing tobacco is one of the nasty habits one can adopt. Health risks are known to all, but still thousands of youth between 12 to 17 years of age start smoking. Some started out of curiosity, and others might first want to look like grown-ups. Effect may start with coughing, throat irritation accompanied with bad breath, and also leads to patchy skin and discoloration of teeth. And over the time, more serious conditions may develop, including heart disease, bronchitis, pneumonia, stroke, fatal cancer. Smoking is one of the biggest preventable cause of premature death, so it is never too late to quit. Decision to quit smoking is one of the most significant moves one can take to improve one's overall health. By quitting, one can lengthen life expectancy, decrease risk of disease, including lung cancer, throat cancer, emphysema, heart disease, high blood pressure, ulcer, and kidney disease. Reduce risk of respiration, anesthesia complication during surgery. Decrease the chance of exposure to second-hand smoking. Feel healthier, which will increase energy level and exercise tolerance. Improve sense of taste and smell. Improve personal life and your looks. Above all, save money. A pack per day habit costs £2,200 a year. Government, on the other hand, government enacted various legislation and comprehensive tobacco control measures to aware people about its health hazard. But its production and availability is not restricted or completely banned. As the statutory warning, just one cigarette package reads, tobacco causes cancer or smoking is injurious to health. But it categorically reads that too aloud. It kills. Let this day be not just for the name take, but let's take an oath that quitter or winner, and it's never too late to quit.
Assalamu alaikum to one and all. Well, it's Muhammad Wasif of class 10 speaking right in front of you on your screens. Today, I'm to speak about the World No Tobacco Day, which is organized on 31st May in an entire year. Before starting, we people must be aware what is tobacco and what are its impact on a person's health and why it is harmful. As you guys know, tobacco is a very harmful substance. Its products contain around 5,000 toxic substances, out of which the most important and dangerous are nicotine, carbon monoxide, and tar. So as we know, nicotine is a major cause of the predominant behavioral effects of tobacco. It's a poisonous substance which leads to addiction. Talking about the carbon monoxide, it reduces the amount of oxygen blood can carry and causes shortness of breath. And now talking about tar. It is a sticky residue which contains benzopyrene, one of the deadliest cancer-causing agents known. Other compounds are carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, ammonia, etc. Well, coming back to the motion, the reason behind the event, the World No Tobacco Day, is to stop the negative impacts of the tobacco and its products. The World No Tobacco Day gets authorized by the heads of the WHO. Media promotes the positive points of this day with huge advertisements. All the NGOs and civil organizations join together to promote the quitting of tobacco. The reports claim that every year 6 million people die because of tobacco products. Tobacco Day actually motivates people to live their lives tobacco free. The campaigns organized by media motivate smokers through public rallies and marches. The WHO spread the awareness of tobacco on 31st May, which prevents the every one death that happens within 6 seconds because of the use of tobacco and its products. Talking about India, every ninth person of India consumes tobacco. Therefore, this day is very beneficial for these people. The organizers and media motivate the smokers to stop using tobacco for at least 24 hours of day. This day implements the quitting of cigarettes, chew tobacco, gutka and snuff. In India, 35% of adults, in which 47.9% are males and 20.3% are females, use tobacco in some form or other form. Various effects of tobacco use are economic loss, health loss and environmental loss. Tobacco is also associated with cancer of respiratory tract, lung, upper gastrointestinal tract, liver, pancreas, kidney, urinary bladder, oral cavity, nasal cavity and etc. So guys, as we can see how much harmful impacts does the tobacco has. So at last, I would like to suggest all the people to be away from this harmful product and motivate others, those who are involved in using nicotine mixed products, to stop using them. So this was all from our side. Have a nice day. Be safe, be healthy, live long. May Almighty bless you. Thank you.
My name is Zubair Abdullah Ganai. I'm a student of Boys Higher Secondary School, Sopore, studying in class 11 there. As we all know that 31st of May is approaching near, and on that day we celebrate No Tobacco Day in the entire world. Tobacco and smoking are very harmful, and they are mainly practiced in every society. And the most embarrassing thing is that they are practiced by the youth. The youth, which is future of not just a family, not just a society, not just a nation, but of the entire world. As we are all aware of the COVID-19 pandemic, how the pandemic has struck us so badly that it has disrupted everything. The doctors say that the smoking addicts and also tobacco addicts are prone to COVID-19, and they are prone to deaths caused by this virus. And it's not just for COVID-19. Before this, we also see that smoking addicts and tobacco addicts are used to deadly diseases like cancer, high asthma and other things. We all know that smoking and tobacco are very harmful. And we have also known myths like smoking reduces tension, which is a big myth, and we must be aware of that. So it is my duty as part of the society, and also the duty of other students and also other people, to make aware those people who are unaware of the things, that how harmful this smoking and tobacco addiction is. We mustn't let them be ignorant of these things, and we should make our call high. So it's this time that we need to commit to quit tobacco and smoking. I would like to appreciate the Department of Education for collaborating with every institution in the valley, and they have then advised our other students to share their thoughts via videos on this tobacco, and also in the future for other topics. Since we all know that COVID-19 has disrupted everything, and we were not able to organize rallies just like in the recent years, so we have made our call via videos that it's now or never to quit tobacco and smoking. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope you are doing good. My name is Basit Anwar Wani, son of Muhammad Anwar Wani. I am class 12th student of Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Sopore. As you all know that every year on 31st May, World No Tobacco Day is organized by the World Health Organization to raise awareness of the harmful effects of tobacco on health and to advocate the implementation of policies aimed at reducing the tobacco consumption. Tobacco use in all forms is a major cause of disease, disability and death across the world. Every year, tobacco kills an estimated 8 million people globally, including at least 1.2 million exposed to second-hand smoke. Smoking harms every organ of the body. It causes cancer, heart diseases, stroke, lung cancer, and chronic pulmonary diseases. Smoking increases the risk of tuberculosis and problems of the immune system. Dear smokers, the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. Take the first step to your goal by saying no to tobacco. It is never easy to quit an addiction. It may be difficult at first, but it is not impossible. As the focus of World No Tobacco Day 2021 is commit to quit. But quitting can be challenging, especially with the added social and economic stress that have come as a result of the pandemic. But there are a lot of reasons to quit. Say, your family and your friends need you. Save their lives and save yours. Happy World No Tobacco Day. Thank you.